We're here in the Researchers' Night at CosmoCaixa, and we're presenting the Nano Kit of NanoEduca for high school and schools for introducing nanoscience and nanotechnology to young students. And also we are premiering our virtual reality experience of European project BrainCom.
BrainCom is a project to develop graphene-based neuroelectrodes to recover speech in patients who have lost the ability to speak. The technology for doing that are based on state-of-the-art graphene electrodes developed on flexible substrates that will be implanted on the brain.
The Researchers' Night is a must. We are here year after year sharing the research at the ICN2 with people coming from all the city of Barcelona to visit our research centers. ICMAP, IBEC, there are a lot of friends, and we meet here to share and to disseminate the amazing research happening at our centers. And today, as Joanna said, we are sharing virtual reality, we are sharing education, and we are knowing a lot of people interested in science and a lot of kids who might become the scientists of the future. Thank you for coming.